ॐ श्री साई नाथाय नमः।
Many times, Baba promises to his devotees that he is ready to give as much as they want. You may be thinking, so how it is possible for him to measure the demand I want, or how much I want really? So that may surprise people. But it's a running fact among people and their experiences, and they always stated to me that Swami gave them whatever they wanted actually in abundance. If they want 100 rupees, Swami I have given them 150 rupees to make them happy. And these experiences have been shared by many people at many times and many instances. In my life, I have experienced an incident, I hope, which will make you understand this point crystal clear. Once my uncle met with an accident that was a government bus accident, and they left him injured, and the bus went without caring for him. And somebody else have taken him to the hospital, and they just treated him. He was unconscious and he was not able to point out how the accident happened, who did the accident and all. So we admitted him into a better big hospital to get him cured. It's a medical college hospital, and he got cured. After 5 days he got his conscience back, and he told then he met with an accident with a government bus. So I was very young that time, so I felt so angry that who this person did this accident, and even he went without caring for the injured person. And he should be given punishment immediately. So I was requesting Baba. Then Baba gave me darshan, and he told me, my son, why you want him to be punished? I can give you whatever the loss you met with. Swami, I told him, that time it was some around 12,000 rupees. It was a big amount in those days in 1980s. So I was just looking at him, so I could do nothing and just wait for his patience and mercy. It so happened the next day, the manager of the bus depot came, who happens to be my relative, and he promised me that he will put a case against the transport and he will get me the compensation. It so happened, and finally I've got some 15,000 rupees compensation in place of 12,000 rupees loss. This 15,000 includes all the medical expenses, and the loss occurred during that time. This incident was very well narrative to all the devotees to understand that Swami will give you whatever you want and even more than what you want.
ॐ